In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate QR code for your Facebook page. First of all, open a browser and search free QR code generator and then visit qrcode.monkey.com and go to Facebook and copy your Facebook page URL. Come back again qrcodemonkey.com and paste your URL in the URL section. Here is the customize section. To change the color of QR code, click on set color and then change the color of your QR code according to your needs. And then add logo. Add a logo here according to your brand. You can also upload your own logo and then click on customize design. You can choose the style of QR code. I will choose the default one. Once all customization done, click on create QR code. QR code is ready to download. To download the QR code, click on download PNG and then QR code will be automatically download. That's how we can generate QR code for our Facebook page. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this.